Each month we'll do a different topic. A few months ago we did Libby, how to read an ebook or listen to an audiobook.
Okay.
And it's different topics. Like in a couple of months we're going to be doing ancestry.
Okay.
So lots of interesting topics. But this month it's going to be LearningExpress. And so I just wanted to welcome you officially, and glad we got everything working. And here we go. You can see my PowerPoint, right?
No, I can't see you. I'm seeing you at the top. I'm seeing my own portrait, but no. What I'm just seeing is on the left of the screen, and I will read. It says, "Welcome to create an inclusive, welcoming, and safe space for you."
Good.
That notification.
So you are seeing my shared screen. I'm sharing my PowerPoint.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, so this is just an overview. Yeah. And if you want to do anything in more detail, you know about Stay Connected, right?
Stay Connected.
Those are the one-on-one computer sessions that we have every Thursday.
Oh yeah, with Peter.
Yeah. So if you want to go into any more detail for anything that we do with these monthly tech talks, then Peter's the one that you would make an appointment for.
Okay. Yeah, I believe I have an appointment with him. Probably next week. I'll have to check my diary and see. Yeah.
Very good. Okay. So let me just, so you've seen this already. We're just going right into the agenda, which is an overview of LearningExpress, what it does. And then if there's time, I'm just going to go over some Ajax Public Library services that you may or may not be aware of. And then we're going to visit the website and try the features live. Here we go. So LearningExpress, what is it? Well, it's a database designed to help improve writing, vocabulary, spelling, grammar, reading, and math skills.
Okay.
You can gain access to interactive tutorials, practice tests, standardized tests, and career development resources for students and professionals.
Okay.
And it also includes the Citizenship, TOEIC, and TOEFL Centre with resources to help students to become a citizen. That's one of the features that it offers. And you can use it on just about any device that you have. I think you use your laptop mostly, right?
No, I have to start doing that. I'm on the desktop as it is right now.
Yeah.
But I got to get familiar with my laptop. So all what you have said now is of great interest to me. The thing is, I'm ready and willing. So this is done, the LearningExpress. How regular is it done? Once a month, or I can just get into the system and follow through with what the programs are all about?
Once you give yourself an account, you can go in there whenever you want.
Good.
And do whatever you want in there. There's no time limit, and you can save your work, and there's no specific time that you have to be there. It's like a reference.
Okay, so how do I go about getting my my account?
I'm going to show you.
Okay, great.
This is still the introduction.
Yeah. Okay. Well, sorry about.
Yeah, no, that's all right. You can ask me any question anytime, because there's only one. There's only one person here, so you get extra attention.
Okay.
So you got online tutorials, you got practice tests, and you got ebooks that you can download for all ages. You can also prepare for a career. For those who want to who are looking for a new career, this is the place to do it.
Okay.
That's another thing that that LearningExpress offers.
Okay.
Including skills improvement. You can improve reading, writing, math, basic science, all kinds of subjects, including how to do some software, like how to do Word and Excel.
All those things. Yeah, all
Yeah.
those things I'm interested in. I'm a newborn rookie.
Oh, good.
To computer, despite my age, there's a lot I have to learn, and I will be learning. So.
And you're going to love this site because you can go at your own pace. You can log in, do a little bit, then log in another day, and it'll know where you left off.
Right.
There's also a GED test prep center and citizenship. Okay, I mentioned that already. And computer skills center. Okay. So
this is very good. This is very good. Yeah.
Oh, good. Good. I'm glad you're interested in this. Here's how you get there. And this is still the presentation, so we're not going to do it just yet.
Okay.
After the presentation, I'm going to let you go in there and just see what it's all about. But how you would get there is you'd go to our website, ajaxlibrary.ca, and you would click on the virtual branch.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Oh, this is if you don't have an e-card. Sorry. This is to get your e-card, but you already have a card, right?
Yeah. Well, I've got my library card.
Okay. Then you don't need. Then you don't need to get an e-card. But how to access the LearningExpress is you go to the virtual branch.
Okay.
And you go to research and learn.
Okay.
You see this PowerPoint slide? That's what it looks like.
Okay. Research and learn. Okay.
And when you go into their research and learn, you're going to see a whole list of items. And one of the items is called LearningExpress.
Okay.
And that's what you're going to click on.
Then click. Okay. I'm taking notes here. Then click on LearningExpress. Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
And after you do that, you come to this page.
Welcome to welcome to the LearningExpress.
Okay. And so that's the first page you're going to see. And you've logged in from the Ajax Public Library website.
Yeah.
And you can always go to this home page by clicking on the home button at the top left.
Okay, so click on home button.
Whenever you want to come back to the home page.
Okay. So yeah, I reached the point where I have written click on home button on the top left.
That's whenever you want to come back to this page, the home page. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so when home page. Okay, I got that.
Right.
Okay.
So the first thing you're going to probably want to do is register.
Okay.
And the reason you want to register is because when you log in, you can save your work.
Great. Yeah.
And this is where you'll register.
Okay. So Okay, register. Okay. So you want me to do that now or
No,
do it
no.
on my own?
We're not doing it just yet. This is just an introductory
Okay.
presentation. We'll be doing it shortly.
Okay, great. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
I just wanted to explain what this website is all about,
Yeah.
and then give you a chance to go in there yourself and see what it's all about.
Okay.
So
Sorry.
if you click on register, that is also where you can find your user settings, which you may need later on. You can change things, but we don't need to do that just yet.
Okay. Okay.
So LearningExpress, this is how it looks. It's organized by a theme. So for instance, if you're interested in career preparation,
Yeah.
you would click on that box where it says career prep. If you're interested in adult core skills, like how to use Excel or PowerPoint, you'd click on adult core skills.
Okay.
It also includes practice tests, skill builders, tutorials, ebooks, and other resources to help you learn. So here's a quick introduction to each of the themes. All right, now you're probably not going to want to use all of them, but some of them might interest you. So the first one is career preparation, and that's for those who are preparing for a professional exam. Maybe they want to be a firefighter. This is where you would do it. Or maybe you're just curious, you want to find out what a career is like.
That's it. Yeah.
This is the place to do it.
Yeah.
Also, and this is where you would choose for those people who want that information. The second one is a GED test prep center, and that's the earning of high school equivalency that can open the door to better income, more fulfilling job and education. It's also, if you're preparing for the GED test, they have practice tests and interactive tutorials and ebooks that will help you reach that goal for those who need that. The third one is college admissions test prep. That's for getting into a college. If you know someone who might be going that route, this is a great place to prepare for that. And it will help you with your college admissions tests and write personal essays that highlight special talents. You can use this center to get resources you need to achieve your college prep goals. The fourth one is citizenship. And this will help you prepare for a Canadian citizenship exam and test of English exams. And it includes practice tests on the official, and they're based on the official exams to help you get the best score possible. The fifth one is a school center, and that has includes skill building, and it helps students in elementary, middle, and high school prepare for important assets, get help with assignments, and boost their skills. The sixth one, the sixth choice you could do is the college students, the college center. This is resources that can help college students strengthen their academic skills and prepare for placement tests and get ready for graduate school entrance exams. The seventh is student success skills, and this is where you can do things like life skills, organizational strategies, study skills, how to be a better student, personal success skills. The eighth one is adult core skills, and this is helps adults to achieve their personal education and career goals by offering resources to help them improve their basic skills in reading, writing, and math, prepare them for the US citizenship exam, among other things. The ninth one is computer skills. And this will teach you how to get started with your computer, get started on the internet. This is kind of similar to Stay Connected.
Okay.
This is where, but you can go at your own pace. Popular software tools, and that's like Microsoft Office, Word, PowerPoint, and well, you'll see all the different software. There's a lot of them. And you can learn graphics and illustration, understanding your operating system, all that fun stuff. And we cover a lot of that in Stay Connected.
Great.
The last one is Resources for Spanish, for those who need the Spanish. It's kind of the same thing, but offered in Spanish. And so if you take an example of one of them, we're just going to take an example here of number 4. Somebody wants to do their citizenship. So what they'll do is they'll click on that citizenship box and they'll see below some choices. Become a Canadian citizen, they'll click on that. And then they'll see this. So they can go and take a practice exam to be a Canadian citizen. And this is based on the official exam. So you know it's very good information. It keeps track of tests and tutorials and ebooks. Right now it's showing that there's only 2 tests that are available for you to do. And it looks like this. So if you're about to start this test, it just gives you information on how to take the test. And you got 3 different types of test modes. One is a simulation where the test will stop when the timer is up. That's the simulation one. The second one is a practice mode. And that means you take the test, you see answer explanations after you finished. If the test is timed, the timer will display, but will not be enforced.
Okay.
And the other way that you could take a test is as a learner, where you view the answers to each question as you go along to help you study.
Okay.
And then when you're ready, you just click start. And then this is what the test could look like.
Okay.
And it gives you the opportunity to go back or forward. And you can also see how much time is left if you chose to do the timer. And you can also finish later. That's why you give yourself an account, which we're going to do after this.
Okay, great.
Excuse me. And you can score your test to see how you're doing compared to others.
Okay.
And so, for instance, your score might be 18. And then it just says your score indicates that you have adequately prepared for the citizenship test. It might, if you got a low score, it might say you need to work on this or this or this.
Okay.
And it gives you recommendations below.
Sure.
Not sure if you can see that.
Yeah, I can. When I put my face closer to the screen, it's in very fine print, but I can see it. Yeah. Okay, that's a bit bigger. Yeah.
Is your Zoom on full screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Excellent. So you can also, if you don't know what you want, but you want to search, there's a search place right on the home page.
Okay.
So if you're searching for writing, maybe you want to be a better writer.
Yeah.
And you click on writing, and then you'll see, okay, it comes up with a whole bunch of choices. It shows that in writing, there's 81 tests that are available, 10 tutorials, 23 ebooks on writing, and but no computer courses, and 3 articles.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
you can scroll. Sorry, go ahead.
Okay, the writing that I'm interested in doing and will be doing is writing books. Like, start off writing a book first.
Really? You're that interests you? Well, then this section,
Yeah.
this is good. So you'll do a search for writing. Absolutely. Yeah. Okay. And oh, look, there's a writing skills tutorial that you could do.
Yeah, so that's the important one, the writing skills tutorial for those like myself who will be writing books.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And if you forget where this is, all you have to do is log in and do a search for writing skills or writing skills tutorial, or even just writing, it will find it.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. And you can go forward, backward, just the same as the tests, and you can save and finish at a later date. And oh, it also lets you download ebooks. So maybe you want to read about writing in 15 minutes a day. You would download the ebook and it would appear right here as a PDF.
Okay.
Which would probably end up in your downloads folder.
Okay.
You've downloaded stuff before, right?
Yes.
Whenever you download something, it usually goes to the downloads folder.
Okay. Yeah, I did some of that. I learned some of that from Peter. So it would be good for me to continue, making progress on downloading PDF, and these different things that are available to be downloaded.
This is where you do it.
Okay.
Okay. And you can also go to My Center, which is located right where you log in, the same place where you log in.
Yes.
After you log in, you'll see a place called My Center. And if you click on My Center, you're going to see everything you've done so far. So for instance, I've done 0 tests, but I did 1 tutorial.
Okay.
And I downloaded 1 ebook. And I haven't done anything with flashcards, articles, or computer courses yet.
How regular do you do this, Larry?
Pardon me?
How regular do you do this tutorial that you do right now?
Whenever I've done it, whenever I'm requested to do it, or when someone wants to know about it, I do it for certain groups.
Okay.
Anyone who's interested in knowing about some of these great features that the library has, I will tell them about it.
Okay, so let me explain further. If I want you to, let's say, for example, continue next week, Saturday, I have to call up the library and inform them about what I would like done. Is that the procedure? Make an appointment for you to do this?
Oh, are you saying you cannot stay for the rest of this session?
Oh, no, I'm not saying that. I'm staying for the rest of the session. But let's say I wanted to continue like next week or next 2 weeks.
Doing this, doing LearningExpress.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. LearningExpress lets you log in and off whenever you want. You don't need, you do it yourself. You don't have to call the library.
Okay.
You just have to go to the library website in order to get to this.
I see what you mean. Yeah.
But you can log in for 5 minutes or an hour, any time of day or night.
Oh, that's good. That's very good. Yeah.
You don't need to tell anyone you're doing it.
Okay. Good.
And you see where it says Julia Campbell here at the top?
Yeah. Yeah.
When you log in, you'll see your name there.
Okay. Okay.
And so this is called My Center. And when you click on My Center, which is where you log in,
Yes.
then you'll see a list of everything you've done so far. So
Yeah.
maybe,
Sure.
so maybe I did one tutorial and I downloaded one ebook last week. Then I logged out. And maybe when I log in next week, I'll do a test. Well, it shows that I completed one test.
Okay.
Okay, so that just keeps track of where you are.
Well, yeah. Yeah, and it's a good system because, as you just explained in detail, I can log in whenever I choose to.
Yes.
That's the major benefit there. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and that's where you can, if you know that you're finished your test, you can put it in the trash if you want, or you can add to it. The help section is where you can find information about what I'm explaining to you. Like this, everything I'm saying to you can be found in the help. There's video guides. If you click on video guides, it'll give you a video of what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
And this session is being recorded and will be able to be watched at a later date as well.
Great. Great.
So that's a great help.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
You can also contact them. There's the contact us button if you have any questions for them, which is the LearningExpress people.
Yes.
And that's where you log out.
Okay. Well, I'm glad to know that this program is available. Okay, let me see.
Virtual branch and then research and learn.
Okay. What it says. Oh. Okay. When I click, okay, research and learn. Okay.
You got it. Yeah. And then scroll down.
Okay.
Until you see LearningExpress.
So.
This is how you access.
Yeah, it's right here.
Click it. Yep.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Excellent.
Okay.
Click on sign in.
Okay, let me see. Sign in.
It's at the top middle.
Okay. What?
Way at the top.
Okay.
See where it says sign in, register?
Yeah. Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Now you can't sign in because you have not given yourself an account yet. So you're a new user.
Okay. So do I put in my library card number?
You have not given yourself an account yet. So you have nothing to put in there yet. So we have to, so you're a new user.
Okay.
So you have to register first.
Okay. So I click on register.
You got it.
Yeah. Okay.
You only have to do that the first time.
Okay.
So your institution, that's Ajax Public Library, so you don't have to do anything. And this is where you fill in the rest of your information.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Congratulations, you have now given yourself an account.
Okay.
And this is the home page where you can do all the things that we talked about, including the tests and the learning of the skills. And you can go through it at your leisure.
Okay.
And do you have any other questions regarding this?
Well, no, not at this time. I'm just looking for the options.
Yeah,
Okay.
the great thing is when you want details about this, that's when you can do more stay connected. Okay, because this was just an overview.
Okay.
So
Sorry, go ahead.
That's all right. That's all right. Go ahead.
I should be looking at adult core skills because I spoke about writing books. Okay, writing my book.
Well, if you're not sure, you can do a search.
Okay, so I go, where do I go? To the top? Okay, right up here?
Right there.
This one.
You got it. Yeah.
Okay, so let me clear that. Okay.
And look at all the choices you got.
Okay.
Take out the word my book and then look at all the choices.
Okay, just go to leave writing. Okay.
Look at all the choices you got so far.
Writing, yeah, like, so it would be writing practice, organization, and focus.
This is what you're going to do after this meeting. Okay. You're going to look and when you're doing this, write down any questions you have for Peter. All right.
Yeah.
There's a writing skills tutorial, the second one, that looks like it might be something you might want to start with.
Writing skills tutorial. Okay.
That might be something you might want to. There's also, yeah, I think I might start with that, but take your time and go through some of these and just write down questions that you want Peter to answer for future sessions.
Okay.
Because that's about it for this session.
Okay, great.
And you can also email me as well, any questions that you have. And I hope this has been helpful for you.
It has. It has. It has been helpful immensely. Yeah. Okay. Let me see if I think I have your email. Oh yeah, you send me emails. Okay. Larry.rosen@ajaxlibrary.ca.
That's the one.
So yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I got Peter's email too.
Yep.
Okay, this has been very helpful and revealing the options before me. So
yes, take your time. There's no rush. You can go in anytime. Remember, when you want to go in tomorrow or next week, you have to go to the library website. Remember, you go to the library website and then you go to the virtual branch. I think you wrote it down.
Yeah,
library website, virtual branch. And you scroll down to research.
Okay. Okay. Just virtual branch. I was writing so many different options. So I go to Ajax library.ca. That's what. Let me see.
In the virtual branch, research and learn.
Virtual branch, research.
And once you hit research and learn, then you scroll down to LearningExpress.
Welcome to LearningExpress. It's the full sentence, welcome to LearningExpress, or just LearningExpress?
Just LearningExpress.
And then from there, I just type in writing skills tutorials.
If that's where you want to go. You can also browse, like click on one of those 10 boxes. If you want to just browse, but you can search, absolutely. And so prepare any questions for Peter,
Yeah.
and that's where you'll continue this. So, yeah, you got it. That's all you need. You're set.
Yeah.
And I think you're going to enjoy these tutorials. Yeah.
I do. Yeah, because it gives me greater latitude that I can access it at any time and work as much as I want on it. Yeah.
Yes, you don't have to finish. If you're in the middle of a tutorial, you can save it and come back later, as long as you save it.
Okay.
And
And by saving it, okay. Okay.
It will tell you how to save it while you're doing it. There'll be a button there that says save.
Yeah.
And then you can come back to it tomorrow and it'll still be there. It'll remember.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So
Thanks. Okay,
that was it. Now, next month, we've got a new topic.
Okay.
And we hope that you'll come out for that.
Yeah, it's in the, I picked up the little flyer, the magazine, whilst I was at the library there sometime. Maybe it's in that. Okay.
It is in that. Once a month, we do a different feature. So next month, it's going to be about LinkedIn learning.
Okay, well, the month has started already. Today is what, the 3rd? Yeah.
Second.
Second. Okay, I'm ahead of time. Today is the 2nd. So there should be one out. When does it come out? The first day of the month or the 2nd?
The next one is, doesn't say in the brochure. I'll check here.
Well, you know what? What's the name of it? Courses
It's
available?
APL Tech Talk.
Okay. Look for APL Tech Talk. Okay, so sometime I'll pass by the library and check it out.
The next one is going to be May 25th at noon. May 25th at noon.
Okay.
And you have to register for that. And then there's one in June 17th at 11 a.m. And the one on June, that's not on Zoom, that's in person.
Okay.
Because we're talking about ancestry.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so May the 25th at noon, June the 17th, 2022.
But you have to register.
Okay.
And you might not be able to register just yet for May and June. It might be a bit too early, but just keep going back. You'll see it. It'll be there on our calendar.
Okay, so when you talk about ancestry, seeing that I was born in Trinidad, and what the word ancestry itself, my ancestors were forcefully removed from Africa to the Caribbean and other parts of the world and enslaved. So what the ancestry that would be discussed, would that be from a European viewpoint?
These are questions that you will ask when you join the meeting.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks again. Have a great day.
You're welcome. We'll see you. We'll see you soon. We'll see you at Stay Connected.
Okay, bye now. Okay,
Take care.
bye.